everybody, my name is Levi and we are here with Shop Dog Scout today, working on our 2003 Jetski that was giving to us for very cheap from a friend who was out riding it and couldn't get it to start after he fueled it up. So let's do some digging and try to see if we can get it to start again. With any engine that won't run, we need to check our three main, our fuel, air, and spark. So let's first check our spark. Let's take our spark tester and plug it in line. So after we crank the engine and confirm that we did not have any spark, we should probably test our fuel pressure. So next step is to take off our cap and push our little nozzle to see if we can have any fuel pressure. And after we realize that we didn't have any fuel pressure, we should move on to the next step. So now that we know our problem is somewhere else, let's first check our fuses. After we checked our fuses were okay, we know that our problem is somewhere else. So next we need to check further up the electrical system. After doing some research and following our line up, we were led to checking the power to our injectors, and this is what we found. Our wiring harness had been melted through from sitting up against our cylinder head. So we found out that 2 of our injector wires were melted through and grounding out on our cylinder head. So next, we lifted up our wiring loom and checked for spark again. Wouldn't you know it, both our fuel pressure and spark had returned. So let's start it up and see if she runs. If you guys are having any problems with your no-start Polaris MSX 140, make sure to check your wiring loom. If it's melted through, make sure to try to fix it. In our case, we will repair this and get this on the water as soon as it warms up.